Ready to turn your GPUs into ETH-generating machines with the power of Binance Pool and Hiveos? First, head over to Hiveos and either log in or create a new account if you haven't already. This is your mining command center. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your farm overview. If you're new to Hiveos, you'll need to create a new farm. Click the plus button and give your farm a descriptive name. Next, add a worker to your farm. A worker represents each mining rig you'll be controlling. Click on your farm name, then select Add Worker. Choose a name for your worker and select the appropriate operating system image. Now, download the Hiveos image to your hard drive. Flash your installation medium. And once your hard drive is installed and your rig is powered on, you should see your worker appear online in the Hiveos dashboard. Time to configure the mining settings. Go to your workers page and select the flight sheet tab. This is where you define what you'll be mining and where you'll be mining it. Create a new flight sheet for coin. Choose Ethereum for wallet. Add or select your Ethereum wallet address. This is crucial for getting paid if you don't have it added. Add a new wallet and name it Binance. Now, select Binance Pool as your pool. You'll be presented with server options to choose from. Pick the one closest to you. Choose your preferred miner. Options like Team Red Miner, Trex Miner, or Phoenix Miner are popular. Click Setup Miner Config and carefully input the necessary settings. Remember to use your Binance username as the worker name. Save your flight sheet and then click the rocket icon to apply it to your worker. This will launch the miner and start hashing on the Binance Pool. Finally, head over to the Binance Pool website, log in, and navigate to the mining section. You'll be able to see your hash rate, earnings, and other important mining statistics. Now you're all set to make that ETH